What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Heyman. We back with another video, man. Today's video, as y'all see, I'm not even on my fucking right shit. Today's video, as y'all see, is gonna be a like a trade breakdown, trade recap of a trade that I took today. That ended up fucking printing, bro. Like, oh my fucking god, bro. I only caught uh, about like 112% of the move, but this fucking this is today. You just look at, if you're looking at this chart right now, you know that, oh my god. But so I only caught 112% of this move. This move gave fucking 3,600%, bro. This shit gave 3,600%, gang. So if you, whatever you would have put, oh my, gang, look. So let me just tell y'all, like, what the fuck happened. I'm gonna break down the trade type shit, and then we gonna get into it, bro. This shit, oh my goodness, bro. So like, boom, today, regular fucking day. Like, I pretty much trade the same shit every day, like same type setups every day type shit. You know what I'm saying? So today, right? I was a little bit late to the market a little bit too. But when around market open, I noticed that, pre-market we was selling off, and then the market opened with this fucking 3 bar right here, and it rejected the previous. Well, that's today's high. I just marked my chart out, but it rejected this high right here at 242.70. It rejected that high, and once I'm seeing this, I'm like, okay, cool. On my weekly time frame, so I'm looking at this, I'm like, okay, cool. So I know we have gaps to fill to the downside. So all these targets that y'all see, so like this line, so starting from, so this, the break of this weekly order block was my entry. And it's, bruh, go back and watch the first video I posted on the channel about trading, bruh. Go back. And that's when I did, well, that's the video. I'm gonna leave it in this video, bro, because watch the video, bro. I marked this fucking level out with y'all niggas, bro. This 50% weekly order block, I marked it out in that fucking video on a fresh chart, gang. Go watch that video. Skip towards, just watch the whole video. Don't even skip shit. Watch the whole video, bro. You see me mark out this weekly order block. Now, if I go to the weekly time frame, the order block is gone because we broke through the order block already. You know what I'm saying? But that's, key levels are fucking important, bro. Go watch the fucking video of me showing y'all how to do top-down analysis. Go watch the video, bro, because that's where this level came from. That was my entry for the day, and the fucking shit printed. Go watch the video, gang. All right, so once I saw this 3 bar here at pre-market already with the sell-off, and I saw the low of this 3 bar was the 50% weekly order block, I'm like, okay, now the shit is aligning. So I have an actionable signal around a fucking key level type shit. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. And looking back, I missed this fucking, bro. Oh my, I could have, oh my god. It's all good though. I could have made, oh my fucking god, bro. Most important thing is I followed my plan type shit. I had my targets marked out and I closed my position at my targets type shit. I ain't know this shit was gonna go 3,000%, bro. But hey, bro, this is this type of shit that can happen, literally. So I took the break of the 50% order block. I took this break here. I took the break, and now everything, the candles are already printed, so it looks perfect. But it wasn't perfect when I, when real time, this shit wasn't fucking perfect. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna fucking go and replay it because this shit just looks so beautiful. Oh my god, like no fucking green candle in fucking sight, none. But I took the break here, so I saw this actionable signal with the fucking 50% weekly order block. So I'm like, cool, I'm taking this fucking entry. I took the entry. Now price was hesitating. Price, as you see, on this candle here, literally on the candle that I got in my entry, price came all the way up and filled this gap to the top. Literally. Filled the gap and then rejected off of this gap. It wanted to go higher, but it didn't. Key levels. So I'm looking at this shit. I'm just like, oh hell. All right. I'm like I said, bro, I'm mastering my emotions and shit. But I'm just like, oh, I don't like this. Like, as soon as I take the entry, this what's gonna happen. Boom. But I held. You know what I'm saying? I held my fucking shit, and I'm just like, bro, there's no reason for me to get out right now. Once I start wicking, I'm like, cool. Like, I should be straight. We closed. The candle closed right here. It went to a low as this 240.50 line. And this line right here, I was like, bro, price reversed off of this level here. That's why I marked it out. That's why I marked it out in real. I marked this shit out in real time. I'm like, bro, price just reversed off this level because in real time, this created like a failed 2 or some shit like that. If I'm not mistaken. But I'm just like, oh hell no. But let the candle fucking print and I'm good type shit. So the next candle print break through that same support level that this candle was acting as, you know, was holding. It broke through and it came to my first target and my second target. And then it kind of hit my third target. Once I saw that, I'm just like, okay, let me like, I'm at this point, I'm in profits. These contracts was $17 fucking at the beginning of the day. Remember that fucking number. These contracts was $17. I bought 239 puts on IWM for fucking I bought 239 puts for $17 on IWM, bro. These contracts was $17 at the beginning of the day, market open. I come, price, you know, filled my gap, and I'm just like, okay, cool. Price will start hit my targets. So I'm just like, bro, I'm good for the day. I'm like, okay, cool. My trade is up 100% I'm not mad at that. I'm cool. Like, that's a home run, bro. Like, I'm good. You feel me? So I close out my trade type shit. And I'm like, I'm good. Like, I'm good for the day. Like, I don't need, you know what I'm saying? I come back around fucking lunchtime. Like, I closed the charts and everything. Like I said, I closed the charts and everything. Like, I'm not in nothing. I had 2 contracts. I sold my first contract around this 239.83 level. And then I sold my other contract once price got to around this 238.88 level. And I had alerts on all of these. So when the alert hit, I just, you know what I'm saying? Cool. So I sold and I closed out. My first contract gave me 40%, 35% to be exact. My first contract gave me 35%. The last contract that I let run to go hit my other targets, that's the contract that gave me 112%. I had 2 contracts, gang. I had 2 contracts. I had 2 contracts. My first contract I sold for 35%. My second contract I sold for 112%, bro. Literally. Cool. So I close out and I'm like, okay, I'm good for the day. I went on about my, you know what I'm saying? I just go looked at the fucking, you know, option chain or when I like the chart when I looked at TradingView on my phone around lunchtime and shit. I'm, you know, looking at the shit and I see prices are around like 237 and I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, oh my God. I'm like, bruh. You feel me? So I go and look at the contracts that I had, the same contracts that I bought at $17 at the beginning of the day game. And listen, when I looked at the contract initially, the contract prices was up 2,600%. The contract prices was up 2,600%, bro. Real shit. So I go to the fucking option chain and shit, and I go I go look at the contracts and shit. My same contracts that I bought for $17, one contract was $17. That same contract was now trading for $230 fucking dollars. $230 fucking dollars, bro. So nigga would have turned $17 game. So I'm looking at this shit and I'm hot. I'm like, oh hell nah, bro. I done closed out my shit. I'm mad as shit, bro. I'm looking at this shit and it's like, damn. Like, damn. I missed out on so much fucking bread. You feel me? But I didn't know this shit was gonna happen. I didn't know this shit was gonna happen. This video just to show y'all, like, bruh, this is the type of shit that can happen. You feel me? Like, bro, I didn't know that shit. And then these contracts ended up closing the day up 3,600%, bro. Those contracts was traded for $300. So I bought 2 contracts for around $35, right? Look, bro, I was hot. A nigga was hot, bro. But the winning this shit was just like, bro, I kind of know what I'm doing, bro. A nigga kind of know what the fuck he doing a little bit. That was the win. That was the win, bro. From 241 to a low of 235, bro. Gang. Look. I'm mad at myself because I didn't stay in my trade, but I followed my fucking plans. I had my targets and shit set. And you know what I'm saying? But I'm just like, bro, I could have. This would have been my best trade as of yet. But I've been in, bro. I've taken trades where same shit happened. Like shit has went 1,500%. Most of the time, I don't know, bro. But I'm gonna be I'm not gonna say the next video, but shit, nigga. But a video gonna be uploaded. I'm like, gang, I just made 3,600% on my shit. So, bro, like, go watch the first video that I uploaded on Sunday, bro. I uploaded that video on Sunday. It's titled "Heem shows you how to mark out." Heem shows you how to do top-down analysis. That's the title of the video. Go watch that video, bro. Go watch that video, bro. Because where this reaction happened at, I marked out this same level. Price got to this level. It broke through the level. And it. Go watch that video, bro. Go watch that video. I ain't gonna make this video too long. Yeah. Well, I do have to show y'all something else. But go watch that video. Real shit. So boom. I took an overnight swing, right? And I'm basically on and I don't do swings. I really don't do swings, but I'm just like, bro, this shit. If you're looking at the chart right now, you kind of see probably the trade that I took overnight, right? If you know what I'm saying. So the trade that I took, right? So I know that as the day is going, I'm seeing price continually fall off. You know what I'm saying? I'm seeing price continually fall off, right? I'm seeing price continually. I botched that shit. But I'm seeing price fall off type shit throughout the day. And I'm like, bro, price is gonna find its support. Like, if this shit continue to just drop, then all hell. But like, price is gonna find support somewhere. So that's what I was looking for. So I wanted to. I took the contract around market close, like 345. I saw that, you know, price bottomed out at the same. Look at the level, bro. I marked this level out in that last video too. Look at this level, bro. So everything that's on my chart, bro, yeah, like I literally basically showed y'all, bro, I'm getting ready to trade for this week. I literally said that in this video, bro. So everything that but I see this right here, right? I see price bottomed out around right here. Like, price went to a low of this previous day low, so it broke this low. But it didn't stay there. You see what I'm saying? Price didn't stay at that level. So, like I said, I was primarily looking at this, and I'm looking left to see how to move right. Shout out Wall Street Trapper. I'm looking left, seeing how to move right. Let me delete this fucking box. I didn't even know this shit was here. I'm looking left, seeing how to move right, and I see, bro, we had this huge fucking, like, price sold off, and then we had a huge buy up off of this same level. And I'm looking, and I'm just like, bro, this shit low key looks fucking similar, bro. Like, I'm just looking at the chart, like, bro, this shit low key Now, like, I could be totally fucking wrong and my overnight swing could get cooked. But I'm okay with that. I want to see how price is gonna react. You see what I'm saying? So, and I'm only gonna know that by getting reps up. I gotta put the shots up. You're not gonna get better by just looking at the fucking chart. You gotta get in the field type shit. So I'm looking at this shit and I'm just like, okay, cool. I want to see if price can have this same reaction. We bottomed out around here. I know that price got to a low of here, but even here, price got bought up. Price got all the way bought up, and this is well, price created this low today. That's today's low. Price created this low. So price did break through this previous week low, but it didn't hold. Price didn't hold that low. So I'm just like, okay, cool. Like, once I saw price getting bought back up from there, I took calls, and I'm basically anticipating this same reversal off of the same level. That's kind of what I'm anticipating overnight. That's what I'm anticipating overnight. That's what I'm anticipating. So we'll see how this fucking acts. Right now, my entry, I mean, it should be holding up straight. I'm trying not to look at this shit. I know that I'm above where I entered at, so you know what I'm saying. But my shit is probably like, I'm probably like break even on some shit, the way the contract is gonna move. And then like price already ran 166% of its ATR for the day. So price is gonna chop. But what I'm looking for that overnight move type shit. I'm looking for like the pre-market move so I can open in the shit. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just looking to see if price can have this same reaction off of the same level. That's what I'm looking to see. Now, if price continues to sell off, I'm prepared for that too. I have targets to the downside, and that overnight, like I said, that's not my primary trade for the day. That's just like, it's a lotto play for Friday type shit. I'm taking this shit that's like, it's a lottery, like, but it's paired with some type of fundamental analysis. You see what I'm saying? So I'm not like, I'm willing to take that risk. I want to see if price is gonna have this same reaction off this same level. So we shall fucking see. We shall see. I don't know what's gonna happen. The market's gonna do what it do, but I could just put myself in position to, be on the right side. But yeah, we're gonna see how this trade opens tomorrow type shit. And I'll make a video on that, letting y'all know if it went bad or not type shit. If y'all fuck with the trading videos, let me know, bro. Like, this is just some shit that I'm doing because this is like, it's my trading journal. Like, I have to recap this shit throughout the day. Like, what I could have did better today, bro. Like, I just didn't have time to really manage my position because I'm at work. Like, if I'm seeing these candles print on this time frame, I'm gonna hold. But I'm not. I don't have that. You know what I'm saying? Like, ability to just sit at my fucking. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? I'm cool. Like, just knowing that I have the knowledge to generate a 2,600% return on my money. That's what I want. I had the knowledge to do that, so I can replicate this shit. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, man. But if y'all like the video, leave a like on it. Go watch that marking out key levels video, bro. Go watch that video. Real shit, bro. Cause that's where all of these levels on this chart came from. This is the only, look at my watch list, bro. IWM, QQQ, Bitcoin. That's all I have on here. And Bitcoin is just so I can see where price is at. I barely trade QQQ. But like, bro, this is the only, bro, go watch the video, bro. Go watch the video, bro. But if y'all like the video, leave a like on it. Subscribe for more content. If y'all like the trading content, let me know that too. So I could be like, okay, cool, they actually is fucking with it. Let me put more out. Let me put more energy into it. But like, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know what's going on, man. If y'all fuck with it, leave a like on it. I'll see y'all boys in the next video.